when you think about affiliate marketing and affiliate revenue, you have to think outside the box of not just these like onesie, twosies, like 20 cents here or $20 there. It's like, how can you do something that I actually had a $20,000 payday? It is possible for you to have big results with your affiliate marketing. You just have to have the right pieces in place. Hi, I'm Crystal Profit, a content coach and business strategist. And the one thing that I wish I really would have understood how it would impact my business over time is affiliate marketing. Like, I've made more than $50,000 working with affiliate programs and affiliate marketing. And I just think about all the different things that you can do with $50,000. So let me share with you what I've done to implement affiliate marketing in my business and how you can have success too. So let's get started with the basics. The first thing that I ever did was I got started with Amazon affiliates, right? Like, it was the easiest one to get started with. You find your favorite books, you find your favorite products, you find those things that you use on a regular basis, and you promote them to the people that are watching you, listening to you, interested in what you're talking about, and you make money doing it. So I got started with programs like Amazon affiliates and started recommending other products and services that I love. Now, the other piece about this that's super interesting is the more that I started recommending products and services that I loved and I used on a regular basis, those companies started noticing. And companies like Buzzsprout and Kit and Riverside and StreamYard and all of these really cool companies that I've worked with that I love, that my audience loves, they invited me to partner with them in a much bigger way, either being part of their creator program, paying me to create content for them, and lots of fun things. So I started making money through affiliate marketing for products and services that I love, and I knew my audience would love too. And then the next big piece, or the next step in the journey, if you want to call it that, is I started working with much bigger brands. Now, if you've heard of Amy Porterfield or Marie Forleo, I actually had the opportunity to promote their programs, their courses, their offerings, their webinars, their workshops, like all these different things that they were doing, and I had already taken their programs. I had already invested in these and gotten results myself. So not only was it something that I'm just like, oh, I'm blanketly sharing, hey, this could be a cool option for you. I was able to share my story, my examples, the way that these things had helped me get results for my business, and that was the game changer. So I'll give you a great example. Even earlier this year, I did a B-School promotion for Marie Forleo, and I made $5,000. And this was something that didn't require a ton of work for me to go and put things together, because I had already done this multiple times before. I've been a B-School affiliate for several years, and I was able to make $5,000 in February and be able to reap those benefits for the next few months, because I'm like, hey, that's paying for a lot of the bills that I have due for my business. So when you think about affiliate marketing and affiliate revenue, you have to think outside the box of not just these like onesie, twosies, like 20 cents here or $20 there. It's like, how can you do something that I actually had a $20,000 payday in 2020 when I worked with Amy Porterfield and I promoted her program, Digital Course Academy. So it is possible for you to have big results with your affiliate marketing. You just have to have the right pieces in place. So I want you to comment below if you're interested in learning more about my behind the scenes of affiliate marketing, or you want to know my strategies, because I have a feeling that this is a conversation that we need to keep going. But comment below and let me know. But thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.